bati. Merry Christmas sa bati. Ang
Guys,
pag-ibig.
Gcash, Suspicious Neighbors Gcash.
Dito tayo,
Magbigay
lalagay
kayo.
namin dito.
Hi, welcome to another episode of
Suspicious Neighbors!
Ikaw,
Kamusta naman ang 2024 mo?
Honestly, masaya. Parang ngayong 2024 ngayon ko nagawa yung mag-travel talaga. I mean, January nakapag-Japan, April, Taiwan, July, Japan ulit. Tapos pati
Korea.
Bangkok.
Ay, oo.
Hindi tayo nag-Korea eh.
Korea this year.
Ayan, tapos nag-Siargao. Siguro, ang na-realize ko talaga sa mga trips namin, lalo na nung Siargao, sinasabi ko to sa kanila na, alam ko parang joke siya pakinggan, pero for me parang, tinototoo ko siya na you only live once. Kasi parang tumatak sa isip ko na may napakinggan kasi akong video na trabaho sila ng trabaho, ganyan, para kumita ng pera. Tapos pagdating sa age na ganun, parang hindi na nila freely magawa yung makapag-travel. So parang ang daming regret sa life nila na sana ginawa ko to nung bata pa ako. Yung kahit hindi ako ganun kayaman, ganyan. Yung parang ma-enjoy mo yung life mo habang bata ka.
Yeah.
Parang nasa ganung realization ako na kailangan i-live mo talaga yung life mo to the fullest eh.
Baka nakita yung TikTok na money will come back but tas maraming transition ng travel.
Oo. I mean, nakakabudol siya, pero pag na-experience mo talaga, parang, totoo eh.
A life well lived is a life well
Loved.
Hindi ko alam.
O ikaw, kamusta naman ang 2024 mo?
Super roller coaster din. Ang daming nangyari and then in a snap, December na.
Diba?
Yeah, bilis.
Oo.
Super bilis, sis.
And I feel like nga, well-traveled ako this year na parang feeling ko papagalitan na talaga ako eh. Talagang ang daming, kapag binibilang ko yung alis natin, talagang mabibilang mo siya talaga na parang, shit, parang
Ay, nag-ano pa pala tayo?
Pico.
Nag-Pico.
Oo nga, Pico.
Like, guys, talagang nag-all out kami.
Yeah, for this year.
Pero masaya.
Masaya. Parang looking back at it, nandun din ako sa point na ayoko din mag-regret. Knowing that I'm 27.
Yeah.
Parang, I'm 27 and then, hindi ko pa nadidiscover yung other side of the world. Kasi gusto ko rin yun eh.
Yeah.
Yung ma-discover ko yung ibang lugar.
Parang we're not getting any younger.
Yeah.
Yun yung lesson learned ko this year.
But
na,
don't get us wrong ha. Dapat, planado mo yung life mo na parang kailangan hindi ka like labas ng pera lang. Like, dapat talaga, if you work hard, you play hard. Play hard, you work hard. Parang ganun.
How about you? How's your 2024?
Alam mo, ang dami kong pinagdaanan sa 2024.
Actually.
Like, legit talaga. As in, 2024 is not my year, pero ang dami kong lessons na
Tutunan.
natutunan. At saka 2024 din pala yung pinakamagastos ko. And hindi ko na siya planong idala ng 2025.
Ay, parang, ayaw na lang mag-talk.
2024 kasi parang ang dami kong nagkaroon ako ng heartaches,
Which is,
relapses, ng mga daming dates on the side, ang daming travels din. Tapos naranasan ko na rin na parang I'm living with my money ng day by day. As in like lahat na na-experience ko all in 1 year.
Yeah.
Pero it came by so fast. So, I mean, hindi ko naman siya nire-regret, pero love and hate relationship for this year.
Yeah. Ano in-expect niyo sa 2025 now that we're almost done with 2024?
Ako, more
Settle down.
work, more travel. Ayun.
Settle down.
I settled
Settle
down.
down.
Ay, parang hindi ako yung sasagot nun, Babs.
Ako? Hindi pa.
Hindi ba? Ayaw niyo pa? 2025?
Ako!
Ay, hindi. I mean,
Gets.
hindi nakadepend sa akin yung sagot.
Yeah.
Okay, I mean,
Open.
okay ako. Pero it depends sa other person.
other
Ito si sagot naman.
Ako, 2025, ang wish ko is mas marami pang makinig sa podcast natin.
True.
And abundance.
Abundance in so
Travel.
many ways.
Health, lahat yun. Actually, parang every year, yun din naman talaga yung gusto ko mangyari
True.
sa year ko. Pero I'm feeling good.
Yeah.
I'm feeling excited. Nakakatakot, pero wala eh. Ganun talaga. Life goes on and on and on and on.
Pero alam mo, we're already in another chapter of our lives. Like, starting next year, kailangan talaga yung priorities natin mas like mag-double up na.
Yeah. Lalo na
Like, yun nga,
tumatanda
we're
na
not
tayo.
getting any younger.
Yeah.
And syempre, our
So
parents
true.
then not getting any younger. So,
True. Mga nag-a-ask na ng apo dyan.
tumahimik kayo.
Buti na lang walang ganong expectation sa akin.
Sis, nakakatawa kasi nag-shift talaga. Like, from super strict.
Oo.
Nandito na sila sa point na
Leniency.
pengin na ako ng apo. Gusto ko na ng apo. Parang ako, teka lang, saan napunta yung ayaw mo kung payagan lumabas ng bahay?
Pero,
More opportunities. Well, I'm the momager, so I feel like gusto ko maraming opportunities for us.
yeah.
More work, syempre, and then marami din akong pangarap to each and every one eh. So, sana dumating siya ng 2025.
Yes.
Yes.
So, we'll just keep it, parang sipagan, yung mga ganon. And then, I mean, it's all about, talaga, it's all about being consistent.
Yeah.
Hardworking. So, yun ang akin. So, muna, medyo light. We're diving into the podcast realness. What's your favorite episode on all the episodes we've done?
Ako, honestly, favorite ko yung ginawa natin sa La Union.
I feel like,
Ayun
ang
din yung
saya
sasagot
naman
sa
eh.
eh.
I
Ayun.
feel like, guys, kapag nandun kayo, as in, kung nandun kayo nanonood live, matatawa din kayo eh.
Sobrang
Talaga.
funny ng episode na yun.
Sobra.
Like, hindi
As
nyo lang
in-
makita yung BTS. Pero grabe.
Sobrang funny. Tapos, hindi namin napansin na sobrang tagal na pala namin nagkukwentuhan dun sa
Oo.
gilid. Na
Sobrang
dinadaan-daanan na kami.
Another thing na funny for me is yung Japan. Kasi guys, yung call,
Gumising kami ng
guys,
5 a.m.
guys, yung call time namin is 5 and then wala nang nagsipag sa amin mag-ayos.
Oo,
Kaya kapag
nakapantulog
makikita niyo
pa.
yung podcast, ang pangit naming apat. As in, lahat kami, ang pangit talaga.
Tapos yung mga bosses pa, yung mga good morning voice.
Raspy pa.
Halatang hindi nagkape, hindi nag-ayos, mukha pang oily yung skin kasi hindi ka pa naghihilamos. Alam mo yun? Sobrang funny. As in, parang, hey guys, good morning. Nandito kami sa Japan right now.
Alam mo, pero masingit lang natin yun, ha?
Yeah.
At least naging responsible tayo
Yeah,
on
kasi
that
maaga
note.
kami
Naitaguyod
umaalis.
yung episode.
Maaga kami umaalis nung nagja-Japan kami. So, kailangan namin siya gawin ng maaga. Ayaw pa nga namin bumangon nun, be. Pero wala eh.
Pare-pareho kami ang mga favorites namin, mga most unforgettable podcast shoots.
Yeah.
Pero alam mo, honestly, na-enjoy ko rin na may mga guests tayo.
Totoo.
Ayan, special thank you pala sa mga guests
Guests.
namin sa
Totoo.
podcast. Ayan,
True.
sila Tony, King Z, Bella, Ashley,
CJ.
CJ. Ayan.
Thank you very
And
much.
all to the studios na nag-offer.
Yes.
Super thankful kami kasi meron kaming avenue to have
Film.
to film and to have guests.
Pero ayun, thank you sa mga guests namin. Pumayag kayo, guys.
True,
Thank you sa
guys.
pakikisakay sa trip namin.
Sino ba naman kami?
Totoo. And for that, we are grateful
Yes.
for all your support, lahat ng tumulong sa amin para sa podcast, to our yung nag-offer ng studios, and then to our guests. You know who you are. Nabanggit na namin kanina.
Yes.
We're super, super, super grateful. And to all the people we've met along the way to our podcast journey, sobrang malaking naitulong nyo to improve our craft.
Yes.
And for that, we're endlessly grateful for it. So,
Yes, thank you
yeah,
so much.
thank you so
And
much.
we'll never
Thank
stop
you so-
learning.
Yeah. There's many room for improvements. Well, hindi naman din kami ganun kagaling. Alam mo yun, parang we're not that expert to bring along a podcast. But generally, why we did this podcast is just to share. Just to
Yes.
share our thoughts. No
expectation.
walang masyadong expectations. We just want you to know what we feel like on those topics, on those things we
Yes.
tackle.
And gusto din namin na mas makilala nyo kami deeply.
Yeah.
Outside of Instagram,
Yeah.
TikTok.
Kasi parang feeling ko we're to, establish in a way na we're just focused on our branding when it comes to Instagram and TikTok. But get to know us really here in our podcast.
Yeah.
So,
Ayun lang, guys. With that, we love you all.
Yes.
We love you so.
please continue to listen to us this 2025.
Yes.
Keep
And
supporting us, please.
pag nakita nyo kami in person, don't be shy to say
Yes.
hi.
Yeah.
Hi to your neighbors.
Yes. Sabihin nyo na lang, hi, neighbor!
Yes.
Oo, parang magtotropa lang. Gano'n.
True.
Mag-hi kayo sa mga kakosa.
To hear more about this episode, click the link and visit our Spotify channel. See you there!